Connaissance, c'est puissance. En nous apprendre des 3 mots anglais ça yo.
Jour, day, day. Jodia, today, today. Konya, now, now. Twop, too much, too much. Please, more, more. Assez, enough, enough. Camper, stop, stop. Aller, go, go. Pay, be quiet, be quiet. Devoir, homework, homework. Yeah, yesterday, yesterday. Demain, tomorrow, tomorrow.
Pran yon ti tan nan jounen an pou nou ka apprendre mot sa yo. Merci. Thank you.